How to turn off autocorrect on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Over here, turn off the auto-correction feature as shown. You have now successfully turned off autocorrect on your phone. Sometimes, autocorrect can become a nuisance when using abbreviations or other languages. Doing this, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off autocorrect on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.